A city never stands still. Elevators open up the vertical pathways of the city. Beyond technology, Hyundai Elevator delivers integrated solutions that create environmental and social value, driving a sustainable future. Across the full product lifecycle, manufacturing, installation, operation, maintenance, and end of life, we work to reduce environmental impact. As part of these efforts, Hyundai Elevator drives continuous R&D in eco-friendly technologies. Our smart campuses operate on solar energy to drive an advanced smart factory system. The regenerative inverter recaptures energy generated during elevator operation. In recognition of outstanding performance, Hyundai Elevator has received green certifications and an A rating for energy efficiency. Hyundai Elevator keeps resources in continuous circulation by using lightweight recyclable materials and components. At the heart of every innovation are people and our shared future, and with it, the responsibility for building a sustainable tomorrow. Mobility to possibility, technology to reality. Hyundai Elevator.